This is a very overdue cleaning vlog, okay? Your girl's house. I'm embarrassed, like I'm literally embarrassed. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to Arizona literally tomorrow, and I'm just trying to get my stuff together, and my house is literally embarrassing, and I can't leave it like this. Like I can't. I'm still like in the packing mode. I have some like things I need to return to Ulta, so I'm like looking at the makeup and stuff, and this is the only thing besides like a lipstick that I'm keeping. I bought like 10 items and I'm only keeping 2 of them, but other than that, my house is trashed. You want to see it? You promise not to judge me? Okay, let's do it. Oh, when I tell you, like, this is all clean clothes, I kind of lost my way. I just started digging in the clean hamper and putting everything in the dirty hamper, and it just went downhill. The bathroom is not so bad. This probably I can leave. The mirror is disgusting. This is the room I'm packing in, so I'm trying to separate everything by day. So like, this is my dinner dress. This is my Sunday dinner outfit for my grandmother's house, my 2 bathing suits. So I'm trying to count it where it's like there's 7 days worth of clothes here, or maybe not 7 full days because that's excessive. I can rewear some things, I'm sure. And I want to fit all that in this carry-on, which is doable. I know it doesn't look like it's doable, but it's definitely doable. I've done it before. I've gone to Paris with this bag, so I know I can do it. Okay. The living room is just, y'all, like, I don't even know how I got here. And then the kitchen is also just like, oh my God. And I'm not too mad at myself, because when I saw Monet and her house was messy, I was like, oh my God, twins. Now I have 2 options here. I can take care of the things that I want to take care of, call it a day, and get the house cleaned when I come back and have my cleaners come, or I could just take care of it myself. I have an appointment at 8:30 to get my lashes done, so I have more than enough time. But the first thing that I have to get done literally immediately is laundry, and this is my goal list. Everybody say hello to my goal list. My laundry first, kitchen second, living room third, and putting away the clothes fourth, and then we're gonna pack my suitcase. Do we think we can get this done in the next 3 hours? Probably not, but I'm gonna try. And of course, like, I have to water my flowers, throw away some flowers, so yeah, let's get her done. Laundry time. Now we gotta figure out, I have to make sure there's nothing dirty here. I'm 20% sure. 20% sure that there's nothing clean. I mean dirty in that pile, except for one thing. So something I know from just looking is that this is dirty, this is dirty. I honestly feel like that's it. Everything else is not dirty. It's just stuff that I took out to like potentially wear and then didn't end up wearing any of it, except for this. I've worn this too. And then like the worst part ever is like I'm trying to bring a carry-on and I have my period, so I usually wear period underwear, so I'm trying to figure out like, how am I gonna do this time with my period? I have no idea. Maybe I should pick up a Diva cup tomorrow and just go that route. So I did the living room. I haven't vacuumed yet, but that looks so much better. Oh my God, you guys saw the kitchen already. Looks so much freaking better. My cousin told me that I can come early to get my lashes done, so I'm gonna head out and then pack later on because it takes like 3 hours to get my lashes done. So it's 6:51 and I know that my laundry is done, so let me go get that. All right, we're back. We're finally here. We're not avoiding things anymore. Over it already. This is garbage. I should make a garbage pile. I always have to start with the garbage pile, y'all. Dang. I really don't think TSA is gonna let this pass.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost.
Y'all heard the tea about the miel rosemary mint oil? Girl.
I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up.
Don't let the background fool you. I ran out of time and I just threw everything back in the hamper. I ran out of time, y'all. My flight is literally a couple hours, so I tried. Thank you guys for watching this cleaning vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was something that I wanted to do. Will I post this video? I don't know. Because I be having ideas in my head and then it just don't be giving. Anyway, I will see you guys when I'm back from my trip. Peace.